What are we up to today, Nicholas?
Try and drive our car up the waterfront.
Wow, it's been raining here. And we're going to try and drive up that. Really?
Really?
We've pulled the LN46 off the shelf to have a bit of a play. And Nicholas's cruiser. First, we're going to come down it. See how deep it actually is. Righto, go. Careful the drop off. Good driving. Wow, you can square it up. Perfect. Ooh. Wow, good drive. Excellent. Let's see how deep it is. Turn. That's it, you backed it up. That's not too bad. Okay, let's see the little Hilux thing try and come down.
I think you won't do it because you're newer tyres.
Smaller tyres and leaf spring suspension. Whoa.
What? Lifting up a wheel. Do it how your son did it.
He did it with style. Wow, that's deep. Gets out. All right, now Nicholas is going to try and drive up the waterfall. I don't like your chances, buddy. Okay, in he comes. Wow, it's deep. Okay, first ledge, he's going to square back up. Oh, there's a lot of water running down that. He's got to get one wheel up. Is he? Oh, good driving. I thought it would be slipperier. Oh, this is going to be undrivable. Oh my goodness, he's walking it. Unbelievable. Easy. Good drive. All right, now it's the little Hilux's turn. You watching? I got it. Good driving. Good suspension travel. Whoa, he's going to diff out here. Oh no, he's not. Enough torque to pass through it. Oh, he's on the back diff. Back it up a little bit. You're going to have to back it up. Oh, nice. Starting to rain. Whoa, this is going to be tricky, this. Oh, he does it with ease, does he? Oh, yes, he does.
This way. Yep.
Easy.
Oh, bum, 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 bum.
Oh, good job. Nice flex. Not so easy, is it? That's it, good drive. Yeah, show pony. Okay, go, keep going. You flex man, you're gonna roll here. Oh, good job. All right, my turn.
No, Dad, I'm still going.
Are you gonna drop off that next ledge? Wow, good drive.
I think you won't do my one.
No way. What? Excellent. Where did you drive up? Oh, there's traction all day.
I'm trying to drive from here all the way up from here to up there.
Okay, try. Oh, nice one. Whoa!
Really? I did it, really?
Alright, the 79 on coils is going to try and do it the harder way. It's easy, he's got heaps more traction. Yeah, it's too easy. Good drive, mister.
Beat your dad. It's because you have smaller wheels.
Yeah.
I'm trying to drive my car up this bit.
Oh wow, that's steep.
Ready, set,
Yeah.
go.
Oh, no way. Come back and square it up. Yeah, no chance, buddy. Maybe a fresh battery.
Yep. Go get a fresh battery. I'll stay here.
So he's not going to take no for an answer. We're getting a fresh battery out of the truck and we'll give that mount another go. All right, what do we got here?
The new fresh battery.
Fresh battery to try and get up that sand hill.
Yep. The fresh battery is in now.
Okay, let's go and try and get up it. Oh, so close.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah, you made it.